Today we are going to replace the brake master cylinder on the Ford EF-M. Pretty simple job. Going to unbolt it from two nuts at the back to the brake booster, unclip the ABS lines, that wiring harness and the hose at the bottom, and then it will come off and we'll install the new one. So let's get into it. First you want to unclip the wiring harness, so just push the tabs together like that, hear the noise, that's it. Bottom hose is similar, but turn them outwards and then you can push it down. So unclip outward and tug out. There it is. So the bigger nut is a 13mm, that one's an 11mm. So get a spanner and just loosen them up. Okay, pull out the line. Now an 11mm on the other one. Okay. There you go. Pull it out, done. Now just got to undo those two nuts and it should just slide off. Alright, so it's a 12mm for those two nuts. There we go. There you go. So now if you just undo that nut, it should just come off. There you go. This is the new part, Bosch. Should last a long time. It's the exact same as the original. So first step is to just slide it onto the brake booster. I have given it a clean before as well. Okay. Let's get that hose. Okay, that's on. First ABS line. Let's remove those plugs. The 13mm, same thing as before. Right, so this one, 14mm on that end bit right there. There you go. And turn it off, pull it off, put it on the new one. And all done. Pretty simple job. Now you've got to fill it up, bleed the brake fluid and see how it goes.